welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just doing this really pretty orangey kind of sunset look. So I'm just starting off today by priming using my Dermalogica moisturizer, and I'm just really massaging that into my face so I'm nice and hydrated. This is a really nice moisturizer because it kind of leaves like a tacky, it goes tacky before it goes fully dry, so I find that the foundation sticks to it really nicely. So today I'm using Fenty and I'm using a Real Techniques beauty sponge to blend that in. I actually really like this sponge. I used to use a Juno sponge a lot, but I really like this one, probably a little bit more. It really just blends in the products really nicely. I am using Shape Tape Concealer as well as the Estee Lauder Double Wear Concealer, so that's in a bit of a darker colour, so that kind of matches my skin tone, but I like the way that both of these look together when they're blended in. So the Shape Tape gives it a really brightening look, and the Estee Lauder gives it a super full coverage which isn't dried out, if that makes sense. And I'm just using one of those Real Techniques baby sponges to blend that in. I think they're called like the mini sponge or something, and that's just dampened and it blends in nicely. And then I just use the bigger sponge to kind of blend it in further, just if there's any harsh lines. So I'm just using Shape Tape just to lightly highlight my face. I didn't go too crazy today, and I'm just bouncing that into the skin using that sponge. And then I'm using the buffing brush, Real Techniques buffing brush, just to blend out any of those lines. So this is a Becca highlighter. I think it's Opal, and it's in like a liquid form. And I'm just using the Real Techniques sponge to blend that in as well. It gives it a really nice, natural, dewy kind of highlight. So I'm just setting my face with the Nude by Nature setting powder. I'm just kind of setting the outer perimeter of my face, and then I'm going in with a smaller brush and using the Bourjois brightening powder underneath my eyes, on my nose, on my forehead, on my chin, just like to really kind of highlight and bring those areas forward. So I'm using the Huda palette, and I'm going in with this really light shade as a base, just to kind of even out my eyelid. I don't remember if I primed. I might have used a little bit of Shape Tape just on my eyelids, but anywho, I just went in with this bright orange shade. Really lovely shade. So I just kind of put that on a big fluffy brush and blended that into my crease and really just kind of blew it out as far as it would go, just so that it was nice and seamless. I just really wanted that bright orange eye look today. So that's what I'm doing, and that's the only colour that I use on my top eyelid. So I just keep loading up that brush and keep blending it out, and every time I blend it out, kind of sheeze it out a little bit, so then I just go on the product, I just keep building. And then for the eyelid, I do use like a flat kind of paddle brush to try and get it on there, but I wasn't kind of doing what I wanted, so I just go in with my finger and pop it on straight to my eyelid, and then blend it out with that fluffy brush. So it's a really easy eye look, but I think that looks really pretty. So it just kind of didn't do it for me, but packed it with my finger and then just kind of smoking out the edges. So on the lower lash line, I go in on flat brush, and I use the red in that Huda palette, and it does kind of fall down my face a little bit and create a bit of fallout. And especially when I go in with that big fluffy brush with the orange on it and blow it out even more, you can kind of see that it kind of falls down my face a bit. But yeah, I clean that up with the powder brush anyway. And then go in with a little bit of the red shimmer just over the top, just to make it pop. I was only planning to put it on the center of my eye, but I ended up putting it everywhere just because it was so pretty. I then repeat everything on the other eye. So this is not edited, this is one cut, you can just see that it is just me blending my eyeshadow backwards and forwards. So I think in all this whole video took 17 minutes, and I've shrunk it down and sped it up to be 8 or 9 minutes. So it doesn't take me heaps long to do my makeup, especially when I'm really kind of doing like a basic eye, which this is, in my opinion, a basic eye. So yeah, just pack it on and then blow it out. So just going in with that red again, just kind of tucking that up as close as I can to my lower lash line, and then using that fluffy brush with the orange on it, just trying to smoke it out. And then going in with that shimmer shade on top as well. So pretty. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I love that color. Stunning. So that's all I've done. I've just put a little bit of that brightening powder on that brush, and I've just kind of swiped it underneath my eye just to blend out that shadow even more. So I don't mind that it's kind of fallen down my face a little bit, but I just had to blend it in with my face powder. So then I'm going in with my most favoritist eyeliner in the whole wide world, and that's the Maybelline Hyper Sharp Liner, and I'm just using that to line my top lashes. I did a relatively thin line. Usually I can sometimes go pretty ham and make it really thick and chunky, but I just tried to keep it skinny and natural looking with my bright orange eyeshadow. Yeah, anyway. And then I went in with my favoritist mascara, which is the Essence, the big pink one. And I just coated my lashes in that one, top and bottom. I really love that mascara. I think it's so pretty. And that's it, done. So with lips, I went in with the NYX liquid lip in Mexico City. Love that liquid lip. And then I just topped it off with Kylie Cosmetics Malibu. I just think that combination looks so pretty, and I just love how it looks on my face. I didn't go in with any extra highlighter today or any blush. I thought that I was going to go in with more highlighter, but I just kind of decided at the last minute that I would just leave it looking kind of natural and dewy. I set with a bunch of the Morphe Jeffree Star setting spray, gave it a little air with the palette, and I am done. This is the finished look. Super quick, super easy. I hope you enjoyed it. I find it's pretty wearable. If you like this, leave me a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.